Hey, YouTube, what's up? We passed. We did it. Still not smart though, but we passed 5 times. 5 times it took me. So we got my license. Well, I had my license. I just didn't have the hazmat, but got the hazmat. Just did the fingerprints. And now we got freaking snow. I don't know if you can see it out there or not, but we got freaking snow. So that's what we got going on here. We got a storm coming through all the way up until tomorrow. So the truck can't go nowhere today anyway. So Lance said that I should be all set by 4 o'clock, which is 4 o'clock their time. So we'll be all set because they turned my load board off already this morning. But they said everything will be back up. So we'll be all set. My ass, we're out here driving with these crazy Wisconsins. Yeah, it's not bad right now. Whoop. Sorry, almost dropped you. Yeah, it's not bad right now. But like I said, we just put new wipers on my wife's car, and for some reason one of them is jacked up. Brand new, right out of the package, jacked up. That's crazy. Don't have to put a new one of those on. Junk board. Don't be going too fast, but it's a Ford. You're gonna hurt it. But anyway, so that's what we got going on. Like I said, I just want to do an updated video on that, about the last video. You get up here further towards Merrill, where I live, and it's getting a little bit on the road here. We just left Wausau, and there was nothing on the road. They were wet. I just like these people, though. I got 4-wheel drive. He gets out the way, and I'm going to crash in about 2 minutes. But we got a bad CB axle, so we can't be jacking around, and we got to get that in the shop to get the new one put on. We got the new one, but being held up from doing my CDL, it kind of put me back a couple days. So, but anyway, so we got that going on, and what we will do is go fishing. What we will do is we will get back with you guys in a little bit here. As soon as we get up here to the house, gonna stop at Wally World, pick up some Kansas steaks, and then we'll be back with you guys later. We'll film the crazy snow when it comes down. It's supposed to come down pretty heavy. So they said, what did they say, 6 to 8, something like that. So I'm thinking a foot. No, because they, the weather people, they don't do their job right. So we'll be back with you guys later. All right, bye. All right, we're back. Yeah, so like I said, I passed the test. Get the fingerprints done. And the background's all done. So we're all set. Plows finally going by. And as you can tell, like I showed you, snowing up. Freaking wife staring at me like I owe her $20 or something. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're sitting here. Like I said, I got a load. Just pick up till Monday. Run it down to Tennessee, Loudon. Drop that off. It'll be the cutoff. So it's better to make something than nothing, right? So we'll get that done, and then we'll see what we can do after that. Hoping to be home for Christmas, because I want to see my wife's face when she opens up her presents. But we'll have to wait and see what happens on that one. But yeah, I didn't mean to sound like a Debbie Downer on that last video, but I just was getting upset that after 4 times I couldn't do it, and knowing that I had to have this one time, and I don't know. I just get frustrated. Like I said, and it's like all the ones you study, you go down there and they're not the same questions. So I don't understand where they're getting all the dang questions from. But you had to answer 25 out of 30, and the 30 are all different. They're never the same ones. Maxie's in there making a mess. Maxie's in there making a mess. Maxie, what are you doing? Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. My name is Maxie. The wifeys. Hello, wifeys. Supposed to say hello. I know, she's kind of rude, ain't she? Rude. Yeah, so anyway, I don't really have... Oh my goodness, my head hurts. I still got problems with that eye. Side of my head kills all the time. But like I said, it's fine. Just freaking suck it up, buttercup. That's what we're doing. We're sitting here. Now we got everything all done. Now we just have to wait until Monday. Get out of here Monday. We're just sitting home today. Today's my birthday. Whole 52. So we're just sitting here. Wife took me out. We got some Chinese. We got it and we came home with it. And that's it. That's all we're doing, just sitting here. So I will let you guys go. It's not even going to be 5 minutes. Jeez, small video. Maybe I'll add some more to it. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty, YouTube. How's it going? We're out here shoveling the car after this freaking snowstorm came in. Oh, somebody's stuck. Stuck at the end of the road. Anyways, this is what we're doing. Shoveling the car out. I got 2 paths done. Almost out to the mailbox, and then one for the garbage. But gotta get my car out. She's a little snowed in. You know, we cleaned her off last night before we were all done, and we come out this morning. It was like 6 more inches on it this morning. And of course, the plows are finally coming out. Wisconsin, they are about the slowest state I've ever seen to plow. Of course, that poor lady over there is stuck with a brand new Jeep. Locking in 4-wheel. Locking in 4-wheel. Yeah, I gotta do this path right here now. Past the side of the car. Gotta get that done real quick so I can move my car. We did the walkway. Did the walkway over here. We did it over there. Then we go up front and do for the mailbox. Because here in Wisconsin, they have a little bit of snow. They won't walk in it, so we have to go do that. So let me finish this and I'll get back to you. All right, so we got this one done. Our parking spot's all cleared. Landlord came this morning, but we weren't up. So we got it all cleared. We did the whole thing. I might move this spot here. I haven't thought about it yet. Thinking about it, I mean. We'll get that done. Then we got to go out front still and do the mailbox. Sorry about the wind if you guys can hear it. But this is Wisconsin. But got that done. So this is what we have going on now. The project is going to be going over to the truck and getting that cleaned off and started up. So yes, this is what we're doing. Let's see how much snow we got all over here. Quite a bit of snow. Now we're just gonna wait for landlord to come back and do the front driveway here because we're not getting out. And that would kind of suck because I want to get the truck done today, get it started up. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Just sitting here doing this, getting it done. Like I said, I'll probably get this big pile moved out of the way because we weren't up this morning to move our car. Landlord couldn't move this big pile here. So we'll probably finish that up. And then we're gonna, let me show you what else I gotta do here. Joys of living in Wisconsin. Actually, the joys of living in a friggin' snowy state. Time to move somewhere warm. Where there's no more snow. Alright, so like I said, I got this path done. Now we gotta do this path all the way up and then around the corner and then down to the sidewalk because, like I said, the mail people need to make the delivery. Plus, we're expecting Christmas presents for the grandbabies. Should be coming in today, so gotta get this all cleared out so we can get those upstairs and wrapped. So I can get out of here on Monday. But anyway, so let me get back to work here. And we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.